there, garden friends. It's Lily from Golden Garden Moments. I know a lot of folks think fall means the end of color, but what if I told you your garden can keep blooming right up to the first frost? Today, I'm sharing 10 cold-hardy annuals that laugh at chilly nights, thrive in crisp air, and bring serious late-season magic to your beds, pots, and borders. These aren't just pretty, they're tough, low maintenance, and some are even edible. So grab your favorite mug, pull up a chair, and let's keep your garden glowing all the way into autumn. Let's dig in. 1. Pansies. You've seen them smiling at you from garden centers, those cheerful little faces? That's the pansy, your new best friend for fall color. These cold-loving annuals don't just survive frost, they thrive in it. Plant them in early fall and they'll bloom nonstop until snow piles up. Their velvety petals come in every color imaginable: purple, yellow, red, even face patterns that look like they're winking at you. Perfect for borders, containers, or spilling over hanging baskets. They're low maintenance, drought tolerant once established, and even edible. Yes, really! Add them to salads for a pop of color and mild peppery flavor. Want drama? Pair them with ornamental kale or snapdragons. Pansies are the ultimate fall cheerleaders, bright, bold, and built for chilly weather. So grab a flat, plant them now, and watch your garden glow long after summer says goodbye. 2. Snapdragons. Snapdragons aren't just pretty, they're dramatic. With their tall spikes of dragon-shaped blooms that snap open when squeezed, they add instant height and whimsy to any fall garden. These cold-hardy annuals thrive in cool weather, blooming right up to the first hard frost. Plant them in full sun for maximum color. Shades range from soft pastels to fiery reds and purples. Great for cutting gardens, too. Their long stems make stunning bouquets. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage more flowers. Snapdragons love well-drained soil and hate soggy roots. Pair them with pansies or ornamental kale for layered texture. Kids adore them. The snapping game never gets old. And bonus, they attract pollinators like bees and butterflies even in autumn. If you want vertical impact without a greenhouse, snapdragons are your secret weapon. Plant them now and let the show begin. 3. Ornamental kale. Forget boring greens. Ornamental kale is fall's most dazzling foliage star. These cold-hardy annuals aren't for eating. Well, technically you can, but they're bitter. But oh, are they gorgeous! Their ruffled leaves explode in shades of white, pink, purple, and deep green, looking like living sculptures in your garden. Thrives in full sun to partial shade, and actually improves in color as temperatures drop. Frost makes them pop even more. Perfect for front borders, container combos, or as a centerpiece. Pair with snapdragons or pansies for contrast. Low maintenance, pest-resistant, and totally unfazed by chilly nights. Some varieties even last into early winter. Want a garden that looks like it's wearing a fancy coat? Ornamental kale's your answer. Plus, it's practically indestructible. Grab a few, tuck them in now, and let nature do the rest. Your neighbors will be jealous. 4. Dianthus. Meet Dianthus, the spicy sweet charmer of fall gardens. Also called pinks, these cold-hardy annuals pack a punch with frilly-edged blooms and candy-colored pinks, reds, and whites, and a fragrance that smells like cloves and cinnamon. They bloom steadily from late summer through first frost, loving cool temps and full sun. Compact and easy to grow, Dianthus is perfect for edging paths, lining walkways, or filling small pots. Pinch back spent flowers to keep them blooming longer. Deer-resistant? Yeah. Pollinator-friendly? Absolutely. Bonus! Some varieties are edible. Sprinkle petals on salad for a pop of color and zing. Love cottage gardens? Dianthus belongs there. Want romance in your yard? This is your flower. Plant them now, breathe deep, and let that sweet scent fill your autumn days. You'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. 5. Sweet alyssum. Don't let its tiny size fool you. Sweet alyssum is a powerhouse of charm and fragrance. This cold hardy annual blankets the ground in clouds of delicate white, pink, or lavender blooms, releasing a honeyed scent that fills your garden every time you walk by. Perfect for spilling over container edges, filling gaps between stepping stones, or softening hardscapes. Thrives in full sun to light shade and loves cooler temps. Blooms right up to frost. Super easy to grow from seed or transplant. Attracts beneficial insects like ladybugs and hoverflies. Great for pairing with taller blooms like snapdragons or ornamental kale. Kids love it too. It's soft, sweet, and safe to touch. Want a garden that smells like heaven? Sweet alyssum's your secret weapon. Plant it now and let those fragrant waves roll through your fall evenings. You'll thank yourself every time you step outside. Hey, if you're loving these frost-friendly flowers and you don't want to miss next week's video on pet-safe winter container combos, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. I drop new plant tips every week to help your garden thrive, no matter the season. And hey, your support means the world. It helps this little garden channel grow. Now, back to our list. 6. Lobelia. Lobelia is the cool-toned dreamer of fall gardens. Think cascading trails of sapphire blue, violet, or pure white blooms that look like spilled jewels. These cold-hardy annuals thrive in cooler weather, blooming non-stop until frost hits. Perfect for hanging baskets, window boxes, or trailing over rock walls. Loves moist, well-drained soil, and partial to full sun. Pinchback tips to encourage bushier growth. Not just pretty, lobelia attracts hummingbirds and butterflies, even in autumn. Combine with silver foliage like dusty miller or bright pansies for contrast. Some varieties are slightly tender, so plant them in protected spots if your area gets early frosts. Fun fact, lobelia was once used medicinally, but don't try that at home. Want a garden that whispers elegance? Lobelia is your answer. Plant it now, let it spill, and watch your space turn magical. 7. Calendula pot marigold. Calendula isn't just a pretty face, it's a fall superhero. These cold-hardy annuals burst with sunny yellows, oranges, and creams, blooming right up to the first heavy frost. Easy to grow from seed, calendula thrives in full sun and tolerates poor soil. Cut flowers regularly to keep them producing, and yes, you can eat them. Petals add color and mild flavor to salads, soups, or teas. Medicinal uses? Ancient cultures used them for skin healing. Today, you'll find them in natural balms. Great for companion planting too, repels pests naturally. Pair with ornamental kale or dianthus for a warm, rustic combo. Bees and butterflies adore them. Want a garden that's both beautiful and useful? Calendula is your go-to. Plant it now, harvest often, and enjoy color, flavor, and function all season long. Nature's multitasker. What's not to love? 8. Nemesia. Say hello to Nemesia, fall's hidden gem of pastel perfection. These cold-hardy annuals bloom in dreamy shades of peach, lavender, coral, and cream, with delicate tubular flowers that look like miniature orchids. Thrives in cool weather, blooming right up to frost. Loves full sun and well-drained soil. Pinchback tips to keep them bushy and full. Perfect for containers, borders, or mixed beds. Fragrance? Light and sweet, like citrus and vanilla. Attracts butterflies and bees even in autumn. Great paired with snapdragons or ornamental kale for contrast. Not commonly found in big box stores, so you'll stand out with this one. Want something unique, elegant, and surprisingly tough? Nemesia is your pick. Plant it now, let it dazzle, and watch your garden glow with soft, romantic hues. Fall doesn't have to be dark. Let Nemesia brighten it up. 8. Nemesia. Say hello to Nemesia, fall's hidden gem of pastel perfection. These cold hardy annuals bloom in dreamy shades of peach, lavender, coral, and cream, with delicate tubular flowers that look like miniature orchids. Thrives in cool weather, blooming right up to frost. Loves full sun and well-drained soil. Pinchback tips to keep them bushy and full. Perfect for containers, borders, or mixed beds. Fragrance? Light and sweet, like citrus and vanilla. Attracts butterflies and bees even in autumn. Great paired with snapdragons or ornamental kale for contrast. Not commonly found in big box stores, so you'll stand out with this one. Want something unique, elegant, and surprisingly tough? Nemesia's your pick. Plant it now, let it dazzle, and watch your garden glow with soft, romantic hues. Fall doesn't have to be dark. Let Nemesia brighten it up. 9. Stock. Stock is the secret weapon of fall fragrance lovers. These cold hardy annuals pack a powerful punch, not just with their clustered blooms in rich pinks, purples, and whites, but with their intoxicating clove-like scent that fills your garden even on chilly days. Blooms from late summer through first frost, loves full sun and cool temps, actually improves in fragrance as nights get colder. Perfect for cutting gardens. Long stems last weeks in vases. Pair with dianthus or calendula for a fragrant combo. Easy to grow, low maintenance, and deer resistant. Bonus, some varieties are edible. Petals add spice to dishes. Want a garden that smells like a bakery in autumn? Stock's your answer. Plant it now, breathe deep, and let that spicy, sweet aroma wrap around you. Your nose will thank you. Your neighbors might even stop to ask what you're growing. And there you have it. 10 cold hardy annuals that'll keep your garden blooming with color, charm, and even fragrance, right up to the first frost. I'd love to know, which one are you planting this fall? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps other gardeners find these tips too. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more seasonal planting guides, pet-safe picks, and simple ways to make your outdoor space shine, no matter the weather. Thanks so much for gardening with me today. Until next time, keep your hands in the soil and your heart in bloom.